Hi everyone, I am Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. Today I'll be talking about Delta Corp's quarter 1 results. Delta Corp released its quarter 1 results earlier today and there are no prizes for you to guess. Of course, Delta Corp would have a miserable quarter this time. Those who may or may not know, Delta Corp is India's only listed casino after BSC, but I don't want to call BSC a casino because a lot of people can take offense. Now, talking about Delta Corp, you may or may not have been to Goa, but if you have been to Goa, this site is not easy to miss. This is basically a cruise ship that is involved in offshore casino gaming, and this cruise ship is basically called Deltin Jack. Delta Corp has three cruise ships in Goa that involve in offshore gaming activities. These three cruise ships are Deltin Jack, Deltin Royal, and Deltin Caravella. Quite a fancy looking cruise ship, right? Moreover, it has two more hotel cum casinos. One in Goa itself that is involved in onshore gaming related activities, and one in Gangtok, Sikkim, and it's called Deltin Denzong. Moreover, it has some subsidiaries in Nepal that are involved in gaming. As you know, casinos are legally operating in Nepal, and a lot of Indians go to Nepal for casinos and a lot of gambling. Moreover, Deltin has diversified into online casino gaming, and it has websites such as Adda 52 to play poker and Adda 52 Rummy to play Rummy, as the name suggests. Now, since all three casino ships are basically not being operated because of the current lockdown and because of the measures put in place by the government, and the Gangtok Hotel cum Casino is also non-operational again because of the restrictions placed. Similarly, with the onshore site in Goa, we can say the PNL sheet or the profit and loss sheet of Delta Corp would obviously have taken a huge beating, a huge hit, and we can see it in the June quarter. Now, in the March quarter, what happened was for almost 2.5 months, the casinos were able to operate entire month of January, entire month of February, half month of March. In June, they weren't able to operate as much, and the revenues are basically telling you this. We Delta Corp earned about 57 crores in June quarter through revenues, whereas it earned 223 crores in March 20 quarter. You can see a huge drop. Again, the expenses have also decreased because they're not operating anything, right? Operating profit would have taken a hit, and net profit, we can see it has changed from black to green, from a profit making company to a loss making company, and it is the circumstances that have led to this. Now we'll talk about year on year results. No shocker that the year on year results are as miserable as the quarter on quarter results. The loss in revenue is about 75%. Net expenses are also lesser because they're not spending anything, because they're not operating anything. As simple as that. Net profit is down. Yeah, no shockers. Now we need to look at the segment revenue, because segment revenue can give us a more clearer picture on the growth of the company. See, now if I look at the casino gaming on-site gaming revenue, I see in the June quarter last year they had 181 crore revenue. March, for the 2.5 months, they had 160 crore revenue, and this quarter obviously zero revenue from casino gaming, on-site casino gaming. Similarly, hospitality and casino go hand in hand, and since there are no casino related activities, there would be no hospitality related activities. Now, what is hospitality? It is the accommodation for hotel cum casinos. It is the food beverages provided for offshore and onshore casinos, the entertainment, and basically hospitality. This is what hospitality is. Taking care of someone. So taking care of someone through food, drinks, entertainment, board, and this has obviously taken a hit. Now we'll talk about online gaming revenue. Now this is what I like about the company. the online gaming revenue has been substantially increasing, and this is what I call growth. This is what I call steady growth, and this is what I call steady growth. The June quarter has increased. In June quarter 2019, the revenue was 35 crores, whereas this quarter the revenue was 57 crores. Moreover, in the last quarter, the revenue was 45 crores. So basically, it is the only revenue this company is earning. Now we look at segment results. I just keep a note of this fact that it has a good online business that is going on well, and considering the fact that a lot of people are at lockdown and are sitting at home, they're gambling online if they're not getting a chance to actually go and visit a casino. So basically, this online medium has given them an interface to avail similar services that they could have availed in an on-site or an off-site casino, without the hospitality, of course. Now, looking at the segment results, since they have got their cruise ships, and since cruise ships would have their maintenance charges and xyz charges, they would obviously have some fixed costs related to it, and it is the fixed costs that have caused a loss in the results from the casino gaming result. So I'm this was basically the revenue from each of the three segments I mentioned, and this is the result, individual result of each segment. So obviously the on-site gaming casino, gaming would obviously have caused loss because they got fixed costs related to it, and they've got no revenue coming in. Similarly with hospitality, they've got fixed costs and basically no revenue. Now look at something that look at something here. What you can see is hospitality has been making a loss continuously. Well, it is because the hospitality is what is something that attracts customers. The casino or the corporation is willing to lose money in hospitality because it wants to attract customers by providing the best hospitality, and this would be compensated in the gaming revenue. Now, similarly, if I see online gaming results, it has been making a nice profit. Last year, it only made 2 crores, and this year it has made 14 crores. Last year, June quarter, it made 2 crores, and this year, June quarter, they made 14.45 crores, about 35 lakhs more than the last quarter. They made 14.19 crores in the last quarter. So that online gaming is actually picking up, and it can maybe decide the future of this industry. Now, talking about share price, okay. So Delta Corp has been trading at about 90 rupees now, 89 rupees 35 paisa, as I would say. It made a high of about, I would say, 220 rupees during December. And as soon as lockdowns were imposed and restrictions were imposed, it led to a historic low of 53 rupees. Since then, it has come up, and it has kind of stabilized at the, I would say, at in between range of 85 to 100. And I would say this is a good share, but wait for a while, wait for 2 3 quarters, and if the casino isn't picking up, this is a bad share to invest. But if casino starts with the online revenue they're getting and with the casino revenue they would get, this can be an excellent share for future. And just so that this is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's favorite share. He has got a good amount of holdings in this share, and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a smart man and a great investor. And of course, if he has put his money in this corporation, there's something to it, right? So, guys, this is it. Have a nice day.